The air deflator comes with its own carrying case, and obviously the deflator. Here we are, the deflator. So you're going to have your analog gauge, brass fittings, braided line, all brass fittings. It's going to show you where the extractor works. That releases the fuel or the air. That's what you need to extract the core. And then the other piece screws on and off of the valve stem. But we're going to show you how that actually works in just 1 second. So this is how you use the air deflator. You're going to locate your valve stem, grab that cap. I like to put them in my pocket. Grab your deflator. Basically going to screw on the female to the male valve stem. Now you're going to check for the core. You just twist it a little around until you get a feel for it. And then you're going to back the core out. You're basically going to make sure that the valve's closed, so that just slides left to right. With the valve closed, it's going to give you the pressure in the tire. And then all you're going to want to do is you push it down to close it, pull it back to release some air. You can check it periodically. Once you use it a bunch of times, you'll kind of know how long you need to let the air come out for your tires. But if you're not sure, you just close that off. The gauge reads exactly what's in the tire again. And if you want to do more, you just open up the gauge again. Or sorry, open up the valve by sliding that collar out. And what's happening right now is the valve core is out of the valve stem. It's floating in that brass tunnel, and the air is being released right from the core. And then when you close it, you're closing off the air, so nothing's getting out. So you can be really exact with the PSI you want to run. Now this is just going to be a close-up, so you can get a better idea of seeing what's going on. So same thing. You're going to want to locate that valve stem, remove the cap. You're going to take the deflator, you're going to screw the deflator on to the valve stem. Once you're all bottomed out on the valve stem, you're going to grab the core tool. Just feel around for the actual core. You're going to back the core out. You're going to check and see if it's all the way out. So I wasn't quite all the way out, so I got to pull it back. It's going to give us our pressure. We're going to slide that over the collar, and it's going to release the air. Then we're going to stop it to check. And then when we're happy with our pressure, we're going to reinsert the core. We're going to back off the valve stem. The tool's all ready to go. We're deflated. And we're going to put the cap back on, and that's it. All good.